For nearly 30 years, Package All Corporation, headquartered in Bayport, New York, has provided innovative packaging solutions for the OTC pharmaceutical and nutraceutical industries. Package All is the one-stop shop for packaging, where you get an expansive inventory of products, nationwide warehousing and delivery, impeccable quality control, and quick, efficient service. At Package All, we take pride in being the first packaging distributor in the United States to attain NSF CGMP certification, making sure you always get exactly what you need when you need it. We are your coast-to-coast resource for rigid packaging components for a variety of industries, including healthcare and pharmaceutical, personal care and beauty, sports and fitness, food and beverage, and household and industrial. We consistently deliver significant value-added, competitive prices, the highest quality goods and services, and most importantly, peace of mind for our customers. Our vast inventory includes all kinds of plastic and glass bottles, closures in a variety of sizes, colors, and styles, measuring devices, pharmaceutical coil, desiccants, master cartons, and dividers. If you're interested in exploring our inventory in more detail, just visit packageall.com. There you can sort through all types of packaging options, their relative sizes, colors, materials, finishes, and more. Best of all, ordering samples is easy. You can order a free sample straight from our site or contact a sales representative directly. No matter where you are, Package All's clean and safe warehouses are ready to store your products and serve you. We have state-of-the-art distribution centers on both coasts. Our main locations include Bayport, New York, Ronkonkoma, New York, and Fontana, California. Additional locations include Florida, Arizona, and Illinois. And don't worry, at Package All, we take safety and cleanliness very seriously. Package All adheres to OSHA safety guidelines and employs a full-time maintenance staff to keep all of our facilities clean and compliant. With state-of-the-art technology, quality control, lot tracking, and paper trails, we pay very close attention to the successful completion of each order, and every shipment is guaranteed on-time delivery. Upon receiving your order, we'll determine your ideal packaging solution from a global range of possibilities. Then we'll devise a customized system to manage your inventory. Cost-effective and ultra-efficient, your Package All management system will also save you precious warehouse space. Using the latest in technological innovations, scanning, barcoding, electronic order picking, and our GPS-managed fleet of trucks, get what you need when you need it. The value-added services that Package All offers are really what sets us apart. Our commitment to providing the best service starts the moment you first contact us. Our knowledgeable and friendly team will work with you to understand your unique situation, including all of your performance and regulatory requirements. But our attention to detail doesn't end there. Our team will continue to monitor your account so you get the best possible return on your packaging investment. At Package All, we are confident that we will save you time, space, and money and provide you with exceptional service every step of the way. We'd like to have the opportunity to prove it to you. Contact us. You'll immediately find out for yourself why we say Package All goes the distance.